Wild animals are fascinating creatures that thrive in their natural habitat, and one of the remarkable aspects of their biology is how their diet contributes to their dental health. In the wild, animals primarily consume a diet rich in natural foods that are not only nutritious but also help maintain their oral hygiene. For instance, their diets include crunchy fruits, vegetables, and bones that serve a dual purpose. They provide essential nutrients and function as nature's very own toothbrush. When animals chew on these tough substances, they mechanically clean their teeth, effectively removing plaque and food particles that can lead to dental issues. The act of chewing also stimulates their gums and promotes healthy blood flow, further enhancing their dental health. Additionally, wild animals' saliva contains enzymes that possess antibacterial properties. These enzymes help combat harmful bacteria in their mouths, reducing the risk of infections and cavities. As a result, many wild animals can maintain healthy teeth throughout their lives, which are often designed to last for extended periods. However, when we shift our focus to domesticated animals, such as our beloved pets, we notice some differences. While they too benefit from chewing and natural diets, they often have shorter lifespans than their wild counterparts. This is primarily due to factors like genetics, care, and environmental conditions. Consequently, their teeth don't need to endure the same level of wear and tear over the decades that human teeth must. Humans, on the other hand, have a different story when it comes to dental health. Our diets are often rich in sugars and starches, which are conveniently loved by bacteria in our mouths. These bacteria thrive on sugary foods and produce acids that lead to tooth decay and gum disease. Unlike our wild counterparts, we don't always indulge in the nature-provided crunchiness of fresh fruits, vegetables, or bones. Instead, we are more inclined toward processed foods that lack natural fibers while being rich in sugar. One of the unique challenges humans face is the presence of wisdom teeth. These third molars often emerge in late adolescence or early adulthood, and unlike in our ancestors, who needed these teeth for an additional set of grinding surfaces due to their tougher diet, modern diets have rendered them largely unnecessary for many people. Consequently, wisdom teeth can cause a variety of dental problems, including overcrowding, misalignment, and even infections, often requiring surgical removal. This is where the significance of dental hygiene becomes abundantly clear. Brushing and flossing your teeth are not merely routine chores. They are essential practices that have evolved in response to the challenges our diets pose. Scientific studies have consistently shown that regular brushing reduces the incidence of cavities and gingivitis. Using fluoride toothpaste can strengthen tooth enamel, making it more resistant to decay, while fluoride treatments at the dentist can provide additional protection. Moreover, brushing your teeth offers psychological benefits as well. A clean mouth contributes to a sense of well-being and confidence. Just think about how refreshed and invigorated you feel after a thorough brushing. It's not just about aesthetics, but also a reflection of how well we take care of ourselves. Having a healthy mouth aids in proper digestion, as good oral hygiene allows for better chewing and processing of food. As humans, we also have access to various dental care products that were unavailable even a few decades ago. Mouthwashes, interdental brushes, and electric toothbrushes provide additional help in maintaining oral health. Regular visits to the dentist for cleanings and checkups are also crucial components of a healthy oral care routine. These professionals offer invaluable insight into our dental health and can catch potential issues before they escalate. In conclusion, the dental health of wild animals is intricately connected to their natural diets, which inherently keeps their teeth clean and healthy. In contrast, humans face unique challenges stemming from modern diets often filled with sugars and unnecessary foods that promote bacterial growth. Understanding the evolution of our dental care allows us to appreciate the importance of brushing, flossing, and maintaining regular dental visits. Instead of viewing brushing our teeth as a mere chore, we should embrace it as an essential part of our daily routine that helps us evolve and keeps our human teeth sparkling. By investing time and effort into our dental health, we can significantly enhance our quality of life and ensure that our smiles remain bright and healthy for years to come.